Ready, set, go. That's actually what I see on my end when the camera counts in. Hello, 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 beautiful souls, wherever you are on this phenomenal planet. It is time for Shift Your Thinking Daily, where we transform our inner experience to a phenomenal outer experience. For now, 10 minutes of our day, we do it together. Okay, before we jump into today's message, let's go ahead and take a couple deep breaths. You'll follow me, breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. All right. Okay, so welcome. Hashtag your mood down below. I am feeling my mood. So truthfully, right, this is all about full transparency. As of today, I'm not ever in a transaction where I'm waiting for the underwriter to give us the green light, because I do what is called front load. So I front load not only my listings when I work with sellers, but I front load my buyers when I work with buyers. So this is a unique scenario where our buyer is going through a special program who has to go through a certain lender to get access to this financing for this particular property. So it's her having to go through that process again, and we've been waiting diligently to hear back. I absolutely, all my transactions are important to me because I get to see and be a solution to somebody who's selling or someone who's buying. And so I'm in this waiting game, and I'm looking to occupy my time as I'm waiting to hear a response back from the underwriter team regarding my client's file. I'll keep you posted. I certainly will keep you posted because I am speaking all great things into existence. I absolutely want to see homeownership come true for this particular client of mine. All right, for those of you who are new to me, say hi, say hello, and welcome. My name is Puerto. I'm also known as Super Agent, international speaker, public educator, agent trainer, speaker, author, creator and founder of many cool things and projects, webinars, courses, and workshops, and summits. Lots going on. So you can stay connected and learn more about me at LA Super Agent on all your favorite social media. I'm also offering courses, webinars. You have access to the replay on Gumroad. So again, I'm kind of exploring whether I want LA Super Agent. The easiest thing, click the link in the bio if you're checking this out on Instagram, or if you're on Facebook, there's also a link there you can check out as well. Check that out. Also, there's something interesting happening. Those of you who are checking out Just Fell Out of Escrow, you guys are on that site or that page. I appreciate you subscribing and kind of discovering. I really would love to hear your feedback on that book, Just Fell Out of Escrow. Top 5 reasons a property does not sell. If anyone knows me or knows real estate or has any concept of real estate and you read that book, you realize I gave so much gems away. For the cost of that book, I put 13 years of my experience into that book. And it's a quick read, easy read. So I had great feedback, so I'm looking for you to share your feedback as well. We are continuing our series from Dean Del Sesto, 200 Ways to Improve Our Lives. And you guessed it, 200 Ways in this book. We'll have complete 200 episodes. Today we are on episode 161, which I am calling this one, Listen, Linda, listen. I'm in the section where he says, bad listeners hear themselves. Average listeners hear the words. Good listeners hear the issue. Great listeners hear the heart. Which one are you? Are you a bad listener? Press 1. Are you an average listener, where you hear the words? Press 2. Are you a good listener, where you hear the issues? Press 3. Are you a great listener, where you hear the heart? Press 4. He says, do you listen on autopilot or with intentionality, purpose, and focus? Out of those 3 words, type in the comments below which one is the one that resonates the most or describes how you listen. Intentionality, purpose, and focus. He says the skill of intentional listening is among the most valuable assets we can possess. Like breathing is to the body, listening is to relationships, learning, and growth. He says stop listening and things wither and die. True, right? Because now we're no longer communicating. He says our attentiveness to others is a catalyst that breeds success into business and social interaction, but quality listening is always in jeopardy due to urgency. He says distractions and its number one adversary, multitasking in conversations. It's funny because I have people call me and they'll say to me, did I catch you in the middle of negotiating a contract, writing an offer, posting on social media, or checking an email, reading a book? Because those people who know me closely know they want, that I'm normally in those activities, and they want my fully undivided attention, and they deserve it. He says, when you're loving and you're actively listening, right? It's a sign of respect. He says, being partially in a conversation and partially elsewhere adds up to a complete relational disconnect. He says, in fact, everything less than total focus in conversation is the beginning of the end of that relationship. People get it when we're tentatively listening, no matter how we try to disguise it. So rather than listening on the surface, our commitment to hear past any static and straight into the heart of individuals is a social grace that will bring intense richness to a relationship. And those we talk to have a way of becoming conversationally brilliant when we listen to their words and their hearts. Attending in this rare and caring manner is practiced by few as it demands focus and an all-out assault on autopilot or casual listening. He said, but the rewards of doing so are nothing short of extraordinary. We do extraordinary things, we want extraordinary results. He says listening with intentionality draws out the best in people. Listening with intentionality draws out the best in people and makes way for lasting relationships that create amazing results. What kind of results? Amazing results. He says to block out all distractions and listen beyond the words is to build trust. Type trust in the comments. And intimacy. Drop intimacy. And it will position you as a friend and leader to everyone you meet. I'm all up in your face right here now as we're talking about active listening. All right. With that share today, I invite you to listen with your heart. Pick one person today and listen with your heart. Be intentional. Be purposeful. All right, that's my time. I love you, love you, love you. Have a powerful, productive day. I'll see you tomorrow as we continue our series of Shift Your Thinking. Bye.